How to do shakes on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add shake effect to your video on CapCut, or how you can add shakes on CapCut. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to simply open up your CapCut application. You should get an interface somewhat like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to open up a project on which you want to add the shakes effect to. Right now, first I'll just open up one from my draft. If you want to add new project, you want to simply tap on new project, and then you want to add a video from your gallery. Now I'll just open up my draft here. Now here you can see various options, right? And you can see beside overlay you can see the effect option. You want to simply select the effect option right here, and you can see various options right there. You can see video effects, body effects, and photo effects. You want to simply select the option that says video effects, and under video effects you'll be able to see various options, and from here you'll be able to search for shake effect. Here you can just simply search it from the search bar, and if it doesn't pop up you can simply, now here you can see fuzzy effect. If you wish to add this effect you can add this, or if you wish to add any other shaking effect you should be able to find it right here. So this way you can add shake effect to CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.